Well, good morning and welcome to Heskett Newmarket. It is Saturday the 14th of July, staying at the local farm campsite, Greenhill Farm, and in the distance High Pike. So today I want to go and have a look at the refurbishment of Lingy Hut Bothy back there a few months ago, but now it's been done out, so looking forward to seeing the renovation, seeing how it's done. So I'm going to drive off here and park somewhere and then make our way to High Pike. Nice little campsite this. £5 a night, and the old crown's at 100 yards away. Right, at Colbeck Common now, just drove round a nice parking spot where we've been before. So enjoying me today is Miss Solitaire for the walk. So she got the dogs. So it's a couple of miles up, I think, to High Pike and then down to Lingy Hut from here. Been a nice walk. Me and John done this a while ago. It was nice to do. Lovely day, nice breeze, not too hot. So let's crack on. Well, despite the dry spell, we've still got some running water coming out here off the fell, surprisingly. A nice welcome sight for the dogs. And today it is Penny's birthday. Birthday girl, 10 years old. She doesn't look a day over 2, bless her. So she's enjoying a little paddle there. And Monty as well, which you don't often get. So a rare occasion that happens. Well, as you can see, it's cracking views all around here. Panorama, it's beautiful. So anyway, there's plenty of old workings here, as you can see. I'll just zoom it in. Front, yeah. It's been dug over a few times, all this, recently, I'd say. Aye. So there's a lot of mining in this part here. And there's 1, 2, and 3. See 3 bits of fencing at least. That's cut off, so obviously there's whole shafts that have been cordoned off in this area. So folk need to take care when they're out up here. It's not, might look an easy walk, but you know, if you go off piste, it gets dark, you never know where you're going to end up. Some strange spots. Well, that's the hailstone in front of us there. I don't know if folk can see the shape of it. You know, the middle rock there looks like an ear, and it's in the formation of a hair lying down. Whether you agree or not is another thing, but yeah, that's how it looks as you come round. I think you can get a better angle on it. You're not going to ride the hare, mount the hare. No, is it too early? I have previously got some good shots of it. There you go. Looks more traditional there. There. That's how it looks. Yeah, just up for a little rest. Some of the old mine workings, these pit holes, shafts, whatever you want to call them. I'm not getting over the fence, but yeah. This is quite a fair size one. It's in 2 bits actually, so it's obviously not stable even now. Even if it's been filled in, it's probably gone. Can't argue about the views today. Just quality. Quality. Well, arrived at Lingy Hut. Certainly had a nice little makeover since we were last here. The sign is on, brand new, nice lick of paint.
Stain.
Huh?
Stain.
Yeah. And then we get as you can see, this is all new, brand new, spanking new. This middle area's been taken out from what we had. Pretty different. They've kept all the little comments. Some would say vandalism, but you know, people like to write. Somebody was here. And what I do like about this now, it's actually got a shovel there for necessities to bury. And this is the cook on. This is a different little bit. Of course, it's taken a little. Nothing behind there, is there?
No, nothing. Oh no, there's hooks there.
Yeah, we've got some hooks there for coat and stuff. But a few more things. The little book that was here when we were here last, it's not there now, I think.
No, it's got handle things.
We've got a little holder here. Things have been moved here instead. Up here, the visitor book.
No, look, handle.
The candle holders, yeah. And what a big improvement is, it was just a tiny window. Look at that. Down Morsdale Valley, beautiful. So it's totally changed. Still got a little couple of benches there as well. So, but on the whole, it's a fantastic little hut that's been renovated. So well done to the Mountain Bothy Association for the project they've been doing. Very impressed with it. Very impressed. I say you get 3 or 4 probably sleeping in here, and at a push on the floor with a mat, a camping mat on. So, what do you reckon then?
Brilliant.
Alright,
yeah.
Not bad at all. Just
Very functional.
Oh yeah, just have a look outside. Yeah, not much change with the felt and that, but the windows made a difference. The back, it's quite similar to what it was, so yeah, tremendous. Now, so I've got the door shut now onto Bothy, but it's still quite light in here. The window has definitely made a difference to the Bothy, like, it really has. So, and Miss Solitaire's made herself comfy.
I am very comfy now.
Sadly, the visitor book over here,
Pen.
it's no good when there's no pen, so, you know, what can you do? We should have brought a pen up in rucksack. But yeah, still got all the writing on, so nothing to vandalise. Alright, Penny, where's your cake? Yeah, I've got a birthday cake for Penny, so she's going to eat that when she gets back. Should have brought it with us. And there's Monty, just chilling out. I wonder how long this spade will last in here, by the way. Hopefully no one will take it with them. This is just cracking for a little shelter, it really is. Well, nearly back down now, not far to go at all. So, we've come down little shortcuts, there's the car. So, heading over in this direction a minute to visit an old friend for some crack. Well, that's me down. From top there, this is Calebreck, this little car park. This area is quite nice. So, this is where we started from, so we've come down in that direction instead of going round. So, but yeah, it's been a good walk, done alright. So how was your assessment of the day?
Beautiful and amazing views.
Did you enjoy the Lingy Hut?
Yeah, no, it's more than I thought.
Somewhat new, eh? Right. So we'll close it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time. So that's goodbye from her and him for a change. That's a rarity, just to him. No obscene words. See you on next time.